Darla. Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You inquired about the 2015 Hyundai Sonata. This is an all-new redesigned body style, but I can talk about it. Let's let you go inside and look at it. As you come down, you're going to notice the very chic design of the new chassis of this automobile. You've got the sporty alloy wheels. When you come through the back, there's ample room for 3 passengers. Now, on the steering wheel, for your safety and convenience, you've got your Bluetooth, cruise control, your buttons here. Hey, that toggles through your back display, keeping everything at your fingertips. In this particular model, you've got navigation, backup camera, AM, FM, XM satellite radio is free for the first 90 days. Auxiliary, USB iPod. Hey, it gives every avenue to listen to your music and plenty of other options that we'll go through whenever you and I meet. My number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. You may reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. One more thing, that's not all. You must hear about the America's Best Warranty. There's a 10-year, 100,000-mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. Again, my name is Shannon Coward. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you may reach me on my cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.